Hi, I'm Kaushik, once again back, and in this video again we are going to discuss a very important topic. Most of the people, even they are actually looking for it, but they don't know actually what exactly I need to go for it, what exactly I need to do for it. And first of all, there are a lot of people even have a lot of confusion about this also, whether bank will fund me or bank will go for it or bank will help me or not. So this is all about my plot and my land loan. So very confusing. Even most of the people, when I'm going to purchase, or let's say somebody else is going to purchase, so they don't have a clarity like what exactly a plot loan, what exactly a land loan, and how it is defining, and what exactly I need to go for it, which bank will give me, which financial institute will give me. So all this clarification even we are going to discuss on this video itself. So welcome once again, and whatever I'm going to discuss, that is along with my all experience, as I told you. So 18 years, whatever my experience in my service period, and whatever client, even whatever customer I have served even so far. So all together, even a collective experience, even I'm just sharing over here. So if it is really helpful for you, I'll be the luckiest one, or else I'm not here to promote any kind of product, any kind of service or something. Right. So I need to understand, like, first what is the difference between a plot and what is a land, and then definitely loan is loan, as I told you. So definitely that will be defined in one single line itself. So what exactly a land? First, let's discuss about a land. So if I'm talking about a land, and if I'm looking something a loan on this land, so land first of all is known as an empty land. I can give you a lot of example in your area, in your society, or let's say in your city, in your village, in your town, whatever it is. You can see an empty land where there is no end. I can stand in the other end, and the other end I cannot see, or let's say it's such a big like this. It's an empty land. Typically, it is known as a land. On this, if I'm looking, let's say some kind of loan, yes, I'm going to purchase, and based on that one, if I'm looking some kind of loan, that will be known as my land loan itself. Clear? Now, what is then plot? What is the difference between plot and the land? So there is a small thin line difference. On the same land, if I look out, if somebody, let's say, has given a residential, let's say, division, if I talk, let's say, 20, 30, 40, 60 kind of square feet, or let's say that plot is been already drawn, it has been already even given for a residential plot, that measurement will be known as a plot. And on this, if I'm looking something, it will be all my plot loan itself. So land, it is clearly an empty land. On this, if I'm looking something, that will be my land loan. Same land, if I'm, let's say, giving any plot measurement 30, 40, 40, 60, whatever, based on the requirement, what will be the dimension, what will be the measurement. On that, even if I'm looking something on loan, that will be my plot loan itself. So there is a thin line difference, but yes, when I'm going to purchase or somebody else is going to purchase, they should have all the information. They should know what exactly the land loan, what exactly the plot loan, and if which are the financial institute are going to give this. So on this, I can tell you, if I'm talking about India, if I'm talking about the regulation of RBI, if I'm talking about regulation of NHB, so typically, if you look out, actually there are different banks, they are giving right on the same loan, whatever I told you. But yes, majorly if you look out, so most of the banks, I'm talking about scheduled bank, so they are not even going to fund on this plot, or let's say on this land itself. So for that, even you have also a solution, that will be all your NBFC. So I have already given what is NBFC, what is bank, even what is the guidelines of RBI. So my previous videos, you can go, you can watch, and what is the difference, significant difference between this bank and the NBFC. So you can watch it also, you can also understand better way. But yes, there are a lot of NBFCs, they are going to get the loan on the same, whether it is plot, whether it is land. So you no need to worry. If you're going to purchase, you have planning to purchase, definitely you no need to worry, and you can go for it. But yes, one last thing I just want to add on this. So even though some financial institute are going to give on the same loan on the same, it could be a bank, it could be a NBFC, they are not going to give you loan more than even 70% of the total cost. So let's say if I give an example, let's say my entire land or let's say entire plot cost is around, let's say 1 year. On this, I'm not going to get more than fund of 70% of this. So you can say around 70 lakhs. This is a basic. Uh, uh, the limitation I'm just talking. So yes, again depends on the bank, depends on your profile, depends on again a financial institute how they are going to take a call on the same. But in a regular manner, if you ask me, this is a significant rules actually. Thanks for watching, and if it is helpful, definitely I'll be the happiest one. And any questions, any doubt, anytime, yes, you're always welcome. Thank you so much.